And there it is, man. Ooh, boy. Finally got them joints in, man. For the retail piece, we got today, man, we got these Nike SB Dunk Low tight boot. Bruh, a lot of chatter going on about this sneaker, man, because, you know, it's a dunk. It's an SB dunk. So, a lot of chatter going on about these. Actually, I think it was a little more hate than chatter, but we're going to leave that part alone. Oh, as if you didn't know, this is your boy, Money Matt, coming to you from the set. And, yeah, man, these are tough. These are 100% tough, bruh. I'm telling you right now, man. Again, we don't follow the hype, bruh. We just caught what we like. We keep it moving here on the set, man. So if you haven't done so already, man, hit that subscribe button, bruh. So we can continue this upward journey that we going on here at the set, man. We're already past 550, bruh, and that was just last week. We hit that 500. So we going up, bruh. That's the only place we going up, man. That's the only place we doing. We going up. So thanks to you, we can do that. Hit that like button too, man, so we can smash this YouTube algorithm wide open, bruh. Cause you know, if you don't hit the like button, YouTube ain't gonna push it. Ain't nobody gonna see what we doing. All right. So without further ado, let's get at it, man. Boy, hey, look, man. All right, you say what you want to say, bro. Oh, it's a reverse panda. It's not. It's definitely not, bro. Look at that, man. And just in case you didn't know, that's 3M right there, bro. So it's reflective, bro. We got the Tight Boot logo right there, bro, with the safety orange going on right there, man. We got some more reflective 3M in the back, and yeah, just in case you didn't know, man. Look at that material on that, bro. These is definitely a wearable shoe, man. And I know a lot of people were saying that, oh, the outsole is white. It's going to get dirt, bro. This ain't the only shoe that you ever had with a white outsole. Who cares? It's an outsole, right? As long as the rest of the shoe look good, bro, you be fine. But we don't buy shoes to put them on display. Yeah, they on shelves, but we don't buy them to keep them on display, bro. We buy them joints to wear them. And that's what we going to do with these, man. Just because. Look at them, man. Look at the design on there, bro. And you know what that is, right? That's those steel grates, man. It kind of looks like steel grates, and I think that's where they get the inspiration from this for. Because I seen a promo video where they had a steel grate with the Nike Swoosh and Tight Boot integrated on there, bro. These is tough. I don't want to let you know off top. These joints is tough. So look at that, bro. Come on, man. And we got, where my orange laces at? Oh, yeah. Here we go. Bro, we got 3 sets of laces. We got the white that comes with the shoe. Man, get off of there, bro. You're messing me up. Making me look bad in front of the people. Look there, man. We got the white. We got the orange. And we got the black. The orange, by far, is my favorite, bro. So I'm already going to slap them in there, man. And let y'all see what they look like, man. But initial impressions, bro. These are a go for me, man. These are definitely straight to the toe. And, yeah. You look forward to your boy, seeing your boy with these on, man. So we're going to go in on these, bro. And I'm going to give you guys some on feet. And, yeah. The prices ain't crazy on these, man. So if you're looking for a nice, wearable SB dunk, man. Black, white. We got the hits of orange. Bro, these are the ones for it right here, man. These are absolutely a go for your boy, man. It's your boy, Money Matt, bro. I'm gone, man. Again, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button for your boy. Because we going straight up out of here, bro. And I'm gone.
Peace. you.